Howdy and Namaste Daily Achievers. My name is Parth Sahani and welcome to the Karma Yogi podcast, where we discuss how to attract extraordinary success and become a better version of ourselves every day. Letting go of comfort is not easy, but sometimes we do encounter difficult circumstances in this ever-changing roller coaster of life. There are times when we find ourselves in places and surroundings where our comfort is challenged. But here's what I have realized from my previous experiences. We don't choose discomfort, but discomfort chooses us. And in order to be better prepared, we need to learn to be friends with it. Let's talk about comfort erosion and its importance. Comfort erosion means facing obstacles and constraints in the practical world with no immediate solutions to help us out. In those trying times, we have two choices. Either to take a step back, kneel down, and live in helplessness, or make the most of what we have and embrace bravery and courage. Comfort erosion is also about learning to live in the moment. In spite of our infinite readiness, things will come up and our mental and physical faculties will be challenged, and we'll find ourselves dealing with problems head on. Access to our inner calm may get difficult, but it's okay. With time and repetition, we'll get better. Our desensitization to the external stimulus will build our foundation for success. The best strategy for comfort erosion is tapping into our inner calm as much as we can and develop radical acceptance of the environment and our lack of control over it, of the ripples caused within us, of the contrast, and learn to control our inner state of calm in spite of what hits us. Comfort erosion is a blessing in disguise so that we learn how to orient ourselves to finding solutions and tap into the infinite abundance even when all the signs around us show lack. It's going with the flow even if we experience rapids and get shaken. The pain and discomfort will not last long, but our desensitization towards them will get intertwined in our success DNA so that we are immune to any future obstacles. Comfort erosion is a step forward in our personal development and expansion and becoming our ideal selves. It's an indispensable instrument in becoming grounded for others once we take care of ourselves. Comfort and discomfort are relative and based on our own perceptions. We have our own glass ceilings, and only through comfort erosions, whether on a micro or macro scale, we get a glimpse of our inner power and our capabilities. We end up becoming stronger, wiser, and better. Once we accept and expect comfort erosion in our lives, we choose to become victors. Not too far as we go ahead in our journey, we start realizing that circumstances of discomfort and hardships are actually gateways to ease. Comfort is a notion with minimal roots in reality. The more we become desensitized to discomfort, the better we become and the easier it becomes for us to face obstacles and thrive hardships. Comfort erosion may seem disruption at first, but it's an essential step in building a newer, better, and stronger foundation for our life. Now it's time for the Gratitude Attitude segment, where I talk about things that I feel grateful for, about things that add immense value to my life. This week I would like to express gratitude for sleep stories, meditations, and other bedtime audio recordings offered by Audible. As I have talked about previously, a good night's sleep is incredibly important to optimize our mental and physical health. To help with this, the amazing people at Audible have created a collection of free audio experiences that have been specifically designed to invite relaxation and sleep. I think they are simply awesome and act as powerful natural sleep aids. So if you're struggling with insomnia, I highly recommend checking them out. In addition, Audible is also donating meals daily through Newark Working Kitchens, so first responders and other people in need don't go to bed hungry. I'll add a link to these free bedtime guided meditations and stories in the show notes. Enjoy. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. If you haven't already, do check out my new book, Thriving in the New Normal, an 8-week program to safeguard your holistic health and help you grow through adversity, on your favorite digital bookstore. I'm confident it'll be a great resource for you in these challenging and uncertain times. If you would like to ask me a question or have any comments or suggestions, write an email or send a voice memo to podcast@parthsahani.com. And if you want even more resources to create an extraordinary life and become a better version of yourself every day, plus some personal insights and updates, along with monthly book recommendations from me that I only share in email, come visit my website at thekarmayogi.blog and make sure you subscribe to my email newsletter. So take care of yourself and stay safe. Make sure you wear a mask whenever you step outside your house and practice social distancing and other health and safety precautions at all times. Focus on being and doing your best, on doing the right thing, and practice the virtues of courage, wisdom, patience, and self-control. Don't let these uncertain and challenging times bog you down. Strengthen your inner fortress. Dedicate your time and resources towards personal expansion and just keep calm and carry on. This too shall pass. Focus on your actions and let go of the outcomes, because success is a journey, not a destination, and we need to keep working towards it every single day. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.